All right, Little's over here cleaning up this Jensen V21 that we're gonna install back into this Leslie here. And it's best to do that sitting down over there, Little, on the table. You like standing up better? Mm-hmm. Okay. As long as you get that crud and that stuff, man, out of there. That's what's most important. So we're here in my temporary shop, and getting some work done. Like I used to say when I was in grad school. What I used to say in grad school, Lawson? Getting some what?
Getting some work did.
Get some work did. So I got to get some work did here. I got to get some work did. So we out here in the temporary shop getting some work did. My wife, Miss Gina, allowed us to take up some her space. This is her craft. This is actually her crafts room, where she works on her plants. She got the green room going over here, and then she got her sewing machine and her craft table over there where she does all kind of whatever she does. She told me I can come over here and get on this corner here. So Little and I over here trying to do a little damage over here. We bless the Lord for the opportunity to help out ministries here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, as much as we can right now, and until I get my shop built. Because, man, I got so much work. There is so much work to be done here in Cumberland County and Fayetteville, throughout North Carolina. And soon I'll be able to open up for business and be able to receive amplifiers from all over the country once again, Leslie's and AO28 preamplifiers, and rebuild them in my shop. But right now, we're trying to do as much as we can do. I got my tool bag here. Got several cases over here that I work out of. I'm able to go to churches and meet the needs of the people, but it's hard for me to do certain things without having my setup that I'm used to with my parts and component drawers and all of that. But I ain't complaining. I'm just happy that the Lord has blessed us to be able to do what we can thus far. I order my parts, I order this and that as I need it. And like this just came in. So in fact, I needed this for this project. So one of these is gonna go right here, right there. Because the one that came out of it, look at it, the split, look at that. Torn, split. So this is gonna get a brand new grommet. Where is the grommet? Where is it? This is a brand new grommet right here that I took out of this bag. Come from track 2, and it'll go right there. So I order what I need to order to do what I need to do to make it do what it do. So until the next video, Dr. Kemp here, along with my grandson, Little Austin, trying to make some progress on this project. Till the next time, peace out.